life is about. We are in what seems to be an absolutely tremendously beautiful area. 1.7, I guess, miles that way. These flowers are so beautiful. This whole valley is insanely beautiful. What the fuck? Oh my god. Bro, I could low-key even go in the water right there.
Time to go smoke this fucking half joint, baby.
Holy fuck. Okay, I need to record this, but I'm in the middle of a fucking rainbow. What the fuck? Woo! Wow. Wow. Okay. This is what life is about. This is what life is about, my friends.